Hello friends, good morning. Sometimes Excel get crashed due to technical issue or the memory issue. If your Excel book is already saved, then we can recover the data. But what about if the workbook is newly created which is not saved? Even in that case, we can easily recover the data. So please follow these tips. Go to File, in Option, you will see lots of options here. Go to Save, and you can see there is an option of auto recovery file location. Just copy this location, open Windows Explorer and paste that path. So you can see I was working on few workbook that was not saved. Still I'll be able to see those files. I just need to double click it and it will be recovered. So this file wasn't saved earlier. Still I could able to recover it. There is another option to recover the file. Go to File menu, open, and you will be able to see all the list of files that you have opened. There is an option down there, Recover Unsaved Workbooks. When you click on this, you will be able to see the files and folders that wasn't saved. So again, I'll click on any folder and open the file. If you see, this path is same that we had copied. So in that way, you will be able to recover the unsaved Excel file. For this kind of tips, please subscribe our channel, share with your friends, like if it is helping you. Thank you very much.